Elusive Studios introduces Bank Trucks, a thrilling and immersive addition to your FiveM server. Bank Trucks is a comprehensive mission script that introduces an entirely new level of action, strategy, and narrative-driven gameplay. Join forces with Milton, a former bank employee turned criminal mastermind, as you plot and execute daring heists on bank trucks navigating through the city. But beware, with every successful heist, the stakes get higher, the security tighter, and the police response more aggressive. This script combines complex NPC interactions, challenging minigames, and engaging dialogues, all set against the backdrop of a robust, evolving storyline filled with suspense, competition, and occasional betrayal. Integrated with ESX and QB Core, Bank Trucks offers the best of role-play and action gaming on your server. If you've stuck around this far, thank you. We really appreciate it. Now I will stop talking and let you sit back and watch.